reflectors, 2 mirrors, a strap. We got the toolkit. We got a pump, AC power supply, some tie wraps, a couple of pedals, and a actual lock. Their assembly guide, toolkit. Look at it. I love that. Usually they're in a little plastic bag or something. Nice, couple. That's what's in the box. First thing I'm gonna do is put the handlebars on. You got the folding stem right here. That's gonna go like that. A little hex tool right here, Allen wrench, pull that out. Pull out the bushing right here, put it out like that. Put this in and then insert it. There we go. Loosen that baby up. So just take out the bushing and this bushing right here. And here's your folding stem. Fold that out as far as you can so you can slip this inside the stem there. That goes like that. When you're putting this thing back in, guys, you want it to be like angled to the right. Notice the frame right here, so that when you're folding the handlebars down, they go to the side. Put the hex screw back in there. Make sure nice and tight. And so you just take this like that, put that back there, pop that in there. Get your handlebars. Make sure all these wires are correct, guys. The 7-speed Shimano is always going to be on the right. Slow it down. Okay, now see how these handlebars are sideways? You gotta mess with this screw right here and loosen that up to get the handlebars. Okay, it's the same wrench, so you got to do lefty loosey. Oh, there we go. Make sure that's nice and centered. I'll put my handlebars up a little bit more. We can always adjust the handlebars up and down right now. Let's just tighten this. Let's put this on here so we can put this on its back. Usually there's a little clip you pull out, a shipping clip. There's no clip in there. Alrighty, here we go. Got nice wheels on these things, huh? Very simple. Okay, got the hub right there. Make sure, guys, it's going right in between those brake pads right there. Okay, so unscrew the end here. Pull this hardware up. You got 2 washers and a spacer. So you got the washer, the spacer, washer, spacer, washer, nut. Washer, spacer, washer, nut. Drum in between the brake pads. Make sure that's not touching there. Tighten this up and this should be free and unsewn. Just like that, guys. Tighten that down, guys. Monotonous, but it's got to be right. Righty-tighty, lefty-tighty. Oh, yeah, that's your left one. Oh, that's your right one. Let's do the fender. The nut back there. You got the hex screw right there. You got the frame on and then the light on. Hold that wrench there. Got to tighten this down. Nut, screw, light. Okay, loosen up these. Don't lose the screw. Put that in there. Let's go first there and then put that in there. That's sure that's nice and tight. That is tight. All right, you got your light, you got your fender, you got your... Boom. There you go. We got the Kingbull Literider 2.0. So let's put this in one and let's take this for a ride. See what happens. Well, we all know those big fat tires, and I don't have them aired up 100%. She's just moving along. It's in pedal assist 1, and I got the throttle cocked, but it's only getting up to 9. It's got a 2. 2 brings it up to 13, 14.5. 3 brings it up to 19.5, 19.3. We're going to get out on the street and make it go a little faster, but 3 is about 20 miles an hour. But right now, it's doing pretty smooth. Kingbull Literider 2.0, guys. I want to thank Kingbull for partnering up with me again and sending me another model from Kingbull for me to do a nice product review down here at the ocean with you guys. I've been getting a lot of comments. You guys like me doing these reviews down at the ocean with a little scenery as usual. So let's take this out in the street and test the old gas pedals. Floor the throttle, see what we can do. Oh, here we go, guys. 0, throttle only. We're on pedal assist number 5. 17. 20. Oh, I got to go into settings and update this thing to 28 miles an hour. It's set at 20 right now, which is Type 2 e-bike, so that's good. We'll have to go into settings and change that up to 28. In the meantime, we're going to stop. We're going to get some lunch. Let's see how it makes it up this little hill right here. You guys seen this hill with me before. Comment, guys, if you're getting tired of me using the same hill. But it's so steep that it's easy for me to check, because these are the kind of hills you guys want to get up on, you know, once in a while. So let's check it out. Oh, no problem. This thing went up that hill, no problemo. Wow, this thing is cruising. Oop, I got the horn down there. Bring this down to 0, right, guys? Because you don't want that throttle hitting while you're running into people. Move it up a little bit, put it in 1 just to get going. Make sure you don't run into nobody when you're going down. Yeah. Back down to 0. Cool. Sunset's Bar and Grill. I'm going to stay inside. It's a little cooler inside. It's a little muggy out right now. There's your view of sunsets. Well, how about that, guys? Very nice out there. Sailboats out there going around. What's up? Let's go to the display real quick. First, you got your light right there. That comes a light on, and you got your horn. First thing you got to do is press the power button. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and the light comes on. It's 4 on brightness right now, so let's. I don't know if you. Hopefully, you guys could see that. So when you have the plus symbol and the minus symbol, that's your assist level. So if you see, if I press the plus symbol at the same time, you got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got the power button, the plus symbol. You got the light. You got the horn. You got your Shimano gear shifter on the display. If you hold the power button, notice here it switches from odometer to trip, speed, your timer. This timer resets every time you turn the power on and off. This is your amperage. It will show in your mode. This is your odometer reading. Again, this is your trip. This is your voltage on the battery. And this is the clock, like I just said, about when you turn the clock on and off. Let's keep it in odometer. Go back. There's your odometer right there. You got your little power symbol. You got your speed, miles per hour. Assist level. See, I like the fact that it doesn't have. I don't like the fact it doesn't have the percentage of what your battery's level. It says only have 3 bars left, so it's really not. It's real hard to determine. Now, if you hold the plus and the minus symbol down, it will put you in your settings guide. There's only 6 settings out of here that you can switch. Check the user's guide so that you can make sure that you're doing it correctly. I don't want to mess with the settings thing. I never mess with the settings when I'm doing a video because I don't want people to be changing I don't want people to change the settings on this thing until you read the user's manual. And this bike comes with a specific manual about the settings on the display. Remember, Starboard Bow is not the expert. In this case, Kingbull is the expert. So get to their website, and all their information, all that good stuff is going to be in the description of this video. So we got it up. We got it in power system 1. Now, if you're in 0, your clutch is not going to work, guys. So you got to put it in 1. And I'm always keeping it in 1 or 0 when I'm around people. Let's take it for a ride. Your shifter here, you just go back and forth on the shifter. It's 1 through 7 on your Shimano. and you just go all the way down to 1. You go back up to 2, back up to 3, back up to 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you switch your Uno, guys. Very comfortable ride. Boy, the headlight on this thing is huge. Looks almost like a freaking headlight on a car. And I love the fact with the headlight that you just press the button, it comes on and off. None of this 1000 stuff. It's very easy to get to. The horn's right here. I'm not a big horn like that. It scares people more than a little bell. So I always end up getting a bell and putting it on my bike instead of using the that thing. Very smooth ride. I love the handlebar. You can, like I said, you can adjust them. Oh yeah, look at this. Man, this thing rides so freaking smooth. Holy smokes. Guys, now you could see the shock, the front shock's jumping up and down, but I'm smooth. I'm just moving right along. Holy smokes. Very smooth ride. It's always important to get different terrain. It's really important to have that, especially when you're cruising around. Always grip the handlebars nice and tight, guys, when you're coming through on these things. Well, guys, this is a fun ride. I'm telling you what. Fun ride. It's so smooth. I haven't put air in the tires when it first got here because I love the ride with the cushion. Now, obviously, if you fill up the air, make the tires where they're supposed to, specific, where the specification, settings have you do it, and you're on regular asphalt like this, you're probably going to get more mileage on your battery and better ride. It's going to be a little bumpier, but it's going to be better ride when it comes to mileage and distance. Like I said, you can jump this thing up to 28 miles an hour. I'm in 20, set on 20 right now. Just love cruising. There's no reason to be going any faster than 20. I mean, you can do it, obviously. Some people like it, but right now, again, thanks Kingbull for sending me this. This bike is a bull too. I love the name Kingbull. That's why, because look at the frame on this thing. The welds are great on this. We'll go over the battery and how you charge it and all that good stuff later, but let's enjoy the ride. On the beach. Guys, there it is, the Kingbull Literider. All-terrain, folding, electric, and I mean fat tire bike. It's a 720 watt hour, 15 amp hour lithium-ion battery. You can charge the battery inside the bike or outside the bike. Got your little AC power supply right there. That's how you do it, guys. I'm gonna end this video on this bike lane right here. I hope my subscribers and my viewers enjoyed the video. Please guys, if you did not or you did, comment on the video. Let me know what you think about the Kingbull, what you think we could improve, what we can improve, what you'd like to see on more videos with Starboard Bow, all that good stuff. Please guys, all the information, the links, pricing, steps, links, and information is going to be in the description of this video, guys. So please check out the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to hit that bell, guys. Again, Kingbull, thank you for the opportunity. You guys have a great day.